Now we'll see what the Quran has to say about all this. So this book, I told you, remember, this is also a book and this is also a book. So first of all, I will tell you the difference between Quran and the book, Al-Kitab, and what is the similarity as well. Surah Younus 10 and Ayat 37. وَمَا كَانَ هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ أَن يُفْتَرَى مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ وَلَكِنْ تَصْدِيقَ الَّذِي بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ وَتَفْصِيلَ الْكِتَابِ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ مِن رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. And this Quran, the reading, is not that can be produced by other than Allah, but it is a confirmation that is between his two hands, and detail of Al-Kitab, the book, there is no doubt in it, from the Lord of the worlds. Now you can see, with those who can read Arabic, they can see in one verse the Quran is mentioned and Al-Kitab is mentioned in the same verse. Like you say, وَمَا كَانَ هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ, Arabic word means Quran, means the reading. Tafsil al-Kitab, downwards, is the book. It details the book. So if I translate the word Quran in English, is what I'm reading. What I will read, the translation in the English of this verse is the reading of Al-Kitab, reading of the book. Am I reading from the book? وَمَا كَانَ هَذَا الْقُرْآنَ أَن يُفْتَرَى مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ وَلَكِنْ تَصْدِيقَ الَّذِي بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ وَتَفْصِيلَ الْكِتَابِ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ مِن رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. And this reading is not that can be produced by other than God, and it's a confirmation what is between your two hands, you can verify, and a detail of the book from the Lord of the worlds. What do you understand? What I read, this is in front of you, is between your hands, in front of you. And when I'm reading it, the detail is coming, the understanding is coming, the detail of the book is coming. So in other words, the reading of any book, the detail comes of that book. If I've got a library of books and if I don't read any book, so that the detail of the book, I can't understand what that book is. If I don't read the Bible, I don't know anything. So the reading, the specific reading I'm reading here from the book of this book, it says this reading cannot be produced from other than God. And it is a confirmation what is between your two hands. You can confirm at the same time what I'm reading is correct or wrong. That is why this book is provided to you to confirm and verify. So you can verify, yes, I'm reading from the book, and you are verifying. And what is happening? The detail of the book. So you can understand the reading of the book is Quran, and the book itself is what is written down. What is written down on this booklet or in the book, this book. So this is, you know the difference between Quran and the book, Al-Kitab, the book. So now we read further in Surah Al-Waqiah 56. إِنَّهُ لَقُرْآنٌ كَرِيمٌ فِي كِتَابٍ مَكْنُونٍ لَا يَمَسُّهُ إِلَّا الْمُطَهَّرُونَ تَنزِيلٌ مِّن رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Surely it is indeed a Quran, the reading, honorable, hidden in Kitab, the writing or the book. No one can touch it except those who are purified. A revelation from the Lord of the worlds. Again you see in the two verses, the first verse contains the word Quran, the second word contains the Kitab. So what is written down is the book. What is written down is the book. And what is being read is Quran. So it says, إِنَّهُ لَقُرْآنٌ كَرِيمٌ. Surely this reading, indeed this reading is honorable. Where I am reading from? Fi kitabim maknoon. In the book it is hidden. And believe me, there are non-Muslim Arabic speaking people and even Arabic speaking people read the book, they don't understand. Because this book is hidden. The reading is hidden. You are reading it, but you are not understanding it. So it says, none can touch except they purify themselves. So if you don't want to purify, you will never understand the book, this book. You will understand this book. But I am trying to here, making a point is the reading and the book. Again, the book has come, the word Quran and the book has come in two verses. Innahu la Quran Kareem. This reading is honorable. Fi kitabim maknoon. It is in the book, preserved or hidden. La yamassuhu illa al-mutahharun. None can touch except those who purify themselves, purified people. Tanzilum min Rabbil Alameen. It is revelation from the Lord of the worlds. If you understand, it has come from the Lord of the worlds. I didn't cocked up. You can verify. You can confirm what I'm reading. Everything you will read and you'll confirm. Now I will see, you have come to the reading and the book, right?